All right, in this chapter, we're going to talk about how to use the dealership time clock to let employees clock in and out for employment using a time card system. In a previous chapter in dealership settings, we showed you how to set this up, but we'll recap very quickly. If you need to add a user to time clock, you'll go to dealership settings. You'll go to time clock in the left-hand collapse menu. You'll go find the user you're looking for. In this case, it's myself. And from here, I can say which user I have access to. In this case, it would be myself. I would hit save and we're good to go. Now, if I'm a parts manager and I may have to see mine as well as some other employees, then what I can do is I can do a search and I can find other employees, maybe these two employees under finance or under my watch. So I can go ahead after I added in my passcode, my overtime setting, my hire date, and I can go ahead and hit save. I'll hit save again here. And now when I go ahead and use my time clock, I can enter a code, which I was assigned. It'll pull up my time card, which I can see here, hours I've clocked in and out of already. I can simply clock in. Okay, I can hit save. Now I want to see the status of people who are clocked in and out for the permissions that I have. So I can scroll over to the accounting module again. I can click the time clock tile. I can select the pay period I'm looking for. And again, now I can see what's going on within the time clock area. I can see myself as well as the employees that I'm assigned to, maybe if I need to manage them or update their records. I can eventually check this box when it comes time to the end of my pay period and hit save that I'm done. And as you've noticed, you can also export these time cards as a file. So it's not very hard to use. Again, if I need to clock out from anywhere in DX1, I can click the little icon, enter in my passcode here, and I can see here I want to clock out. Boom, I can clock out again. Not very hard to do at all. Again, if I just need to quickly look at my time card, I can do the same thing without clocking in and out, type in my code, and I can just simply see kind of what my details are today, again, without hitting clock in or out. I can also export my time card if I'd like to keep a copy of that as well. So that's how to use time clock in DX1.